Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you have already been subscribing, welcome back. Right now I'm just showing a small clip of me bleaching the knots, and this is some water wave hair, and I'm just going to show you guys how to get a wig with a 360 effect, meaning that you can get a high ponytail without using a 360 lace frontal. Right now I'm just doubling the tracks, as you all know if you've been keeping up with my sewing machine tutorials. This is very, very easy to do. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be making wigs within 20 to 30 minutes. And this clip is not sped up. This is my actual speed that I doubled the tracks at. This is how your tracks should look after you've ran them through the machine. The dome cap is always going to be the same lines, the same diagram, and right now you're just going to flip the dome cap backwards and you're going to sew a track at the very bottom on the opposite side that you would normally sew on. This is a cheap and thrifty way to get the 360 high ponytail effect. It's also easier to maintain versus a 360 frontal. After you've done the first track at the bottom on the opposite side, you're just going to proceed as you already would. Just sew the tracks on the lines the same way you always do. The wig is complete, and today this wig only took me 20 minutes to make. 20 minutes. The more consistent you are and the more you practice, you'll get faster and faster and better and better. Besides it being fast, you want it to be neat as well. This is water wave hair once again, and with a water wave frontal to match. I already drew the diagram before I started recording the video, just because I do it so much, I don't want to seem repetitive. But you're just going to put the lace back on the dome cap, pin it down, and you're going to use your basic needle and thread that you do sew-ins with and sew the frontal down by hand. Your last step will be cutting the dome cap from underneath where the frontal is. You don't need that anymore. It's not necessary. You can go ahead and cut that off. This is the complete wig with the lace attached. Once again, it's very neat. And this is the water wave hair in its natural state. Thank you, Lemoda Hair Company, for sponsoring this video. And right now I'm just showing you quick clips. It's not super neat, but that's just how your wig will look by simply sewing that track underneath on the opposite side. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.